Tinnitus causes people to hear sounds with no external source. Miracle Ear hearing aids offer 3 different built-in programs that can help you control your tinnitus. Your provider can help you determine which program is best for you. Static noise is designed to distract from tinnitus. By mixing a static sound with the tinnitus sound, this feature helps divert your attention from the ringing noise. The soothing sounds of ocean waves mask tinnitus for a relaxing, stress-free form of treatment. Notch therapy trains your brain to ignore the tinnitus sound. Unlike traditional sound therapy, this state-of-the-art technology is inaudible and works to amplify incoming sound while leaving out the frequency of tinnitus. This method reduces your perception of tinnitus and may even make it disappear.